This is how to fix Spider-Man Miles Morales black screen issue. So for the first step, you need to go to the Windows icon. After that, search for settings. You can either type it in the search or select it if you do find it right here. Once done, you need to go to Windows Update, bottom left corner or top left corner. After that, you need to ensure that you install and download all the latest Windows updates. So if you have stuck or failed updates, go to Update History and select the first two options. Scroll down and select recovery. Now you can either select reinstall now or select the first option. After that, select other troubleshooters and you can follow up and see if this run button works and solves your issue. After that, go to the search and type in device manager. Make sure to open this one. After that, you need to look for the display adapters, double click on it, select your NVIDIA or AMD graphics card, right click and select update driver. Now click on the first option. After that, click on close. You can try this method as well, so go to the search and type in NVIDIA. You will find the NVIDIA app displaying. If not, you will find it in their official website. After that, go to drivers and make sure to update your graphics card driver because it is possibly the one that is causing the issue. For the last step or method, you can just relaunch the Steam game, go to library and select collections. After that, you need to look for Spider-Man Miles Morales. It must be installed. I don't have it, but you can follow up with the same process. So once you select it, click on this gear icon. After that, click on properties. Next, go to installed files on the left menu. After that, click on verify integrity of game files. And now you need to wait for the process to finish to the end so it can verify and recover the corrected or missing files without the need to install the game from the start. And that's it. Hopefully the issue is gone. Make sure to share the video, like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.